me with Hallie and Mikey. Well, Mikey just walked out, well, that's okay. Well, so today I'm in the park and I'm going to show you squishies I got from from Thailand. So the first one is this lemon. This was really cheap.
Yeah.
Okay, secondly we have this apple. It's not really slow rising, but it was just in a random store. I got some. I also got this pineapple. Here. Then I got this sandwich. Sorry if I can't open the sandwich. It's really hard to open this. Mikey's just... And I have this pink bun. I also can't open this. And it's licensed. The tag. And so the next one is my rice ball. This was the first one I got. It's really so rising. And the second one is this waffle. I mean, the next one is this waffle, Hello Kitty waffle. Then I also got this Shaw Pao, slow rising. Next, we have this bun, bread bun. No, it's not a bun, it's just bread, normal bread. It's really soft. Looks like real bread.
Yeah.
Okay, lastly, I have this cake. This was like really expensive.
How much was this?
I actually don't know. It was like 100 something baht, like 300 something pesos. Yeah. Well, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you see you guys next time, and wait for the other videos, and I'll see you guys next time.
Are you done yet? I wanna play
Bye.
now.